Hello, welcome to another episode of my video. In today's video, we'll be having a look at the Ferrex Cordless 20 volt impact driver. We'll be having a look at the 20 volt active energy battery that comes with it and the active energy charger as well. So you might ask, what made me buy an impact driver? I'm not in the trades. I bought these from a local, I might just say from Aldi, and I've never really owned an impact driver before. So when I did look around and do comparison between this and how much I got it for compared to other stores, this came tops. So I thought to myself, I needed one for the jobs I've been doing in the garden, and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. So in this video, we'll be having a look, we'll be unboxing this, and this, and I'll show you exactly what they look like, and we'll be charging it as well to see how they charge it. So let's get to work. So first of all, when you get this from Aldi, what you get for £20 is just the impact driver. It doesn't come with no chargers, it doesn't come with no batteries. You literally get just the skin, they call it the skin. And for those of you that are new to these DIY tools, this is not a drill. You can use it as a drill, but they call this an impact driver. Literally, it's much more powerful than your normal drill, and it works in slightly a different way. We're not going to be doing that in this video, so if you want to know how the difference between a driver, an impact driver and a screwdriver is, not a screwdriver, sorry, a drill, you know, check on YouTube and you find loads of video which will tell you the difference between this, a normal one, and this, yeah? So, but in this video, we'll literally be having we'll be unboxing this one that I got from Aldi. So let's go ahead. Yep, box is empty, and in the box you get yourself a user manual, Ferrex 20 volt Leon cordless impact driver. Yeah, who needs one of them when you've got me? Yeah, and you get one of your warranty card as well. Here you go. You put that to the side, and here you go. This is the Ferrex impact driver. I'll bring that out so you can see exactly what it looks like. So this is this. It's nice and steady. On first look, I kind of like it. It's nice and steady. You know, it's got a lovely grip over here. Apparently, it's got the lights right there. It's got your trigger right here. It's got, you know, left and right on both sides. And yeah. This is it. This is what the product looks like. So with this product, for £20, as I explained to you, you actually don't get the, you can clearly see on the box, it says here, £20. And you can see here, it's been grayed out. You don't get the battery that comes with it. So you have to buy the battery separately. So if you want one of this, you need to take that into consideration. So let's move on. The next item on the list would be the charger. The charger. No, sorry, not the charger. It's going to be the battery itself. So the way currently Ferrex, who makes this, basically has multiple devices, and they use one battery. So you can get, this is a 20 volt item. So I'm using a 20 volt battery. They also have, so if you're going to be buying, let's say, Ferrex other items, you know, like a cordless saw or any other items you wish to buy, you need to ensure that you buy the correct battery. This battery is for 20 volt items only. And sometimes they do put it on the side to say it would work with this other product, but I can't find that here. But here you go. So this is what the 20 volt battery looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and open that for you. Yeah. So again, you've got a warranty here for your 12-volt battery. We'll put that to one side, and there you go. You have got yourself your battery. I'm not sure what that, I think that's lights. Here you go. And that clearly states 20-volt battery system, active energy Li-ion battery. So we'll move on to the next item on the list. So we have a battery. So remember, the way this works is you get the battery. Actually, let's leave that to one side for now. We'll come back to that later. Why do we need a charger? So the charger is what allows you to charge the battery. So with some of these items, sometimes I'll show you. So with the cordless drill, sometimes you can just connect your wires straight into that, and that would charge your drills. But with this, you actually need a separate charging system. So we'll be unboxing that now, so you can see exactly what that looks like as well. Again, this cost, I can't remember, but I think it's between 15 quid. So bear that in mind. So already you have 20. You have, I think it's £15, and you have, I believe, is another 15 pound, I believe, or 17.99. I can't remember. So here you go. You have another active charger. Let's have a look. So you can clearly see it's on the box. It says here, it charges both batteries, 12 volt batteries and 20/40 volt batteries. Yeah, cool. So again, let's see. You got here your warranty card, beautiful. And inside, you've got your charger. So this is basically your charging kit. Here you go, and there's nothing else in the box. Box is empty. Yeah, so here you go. Cool. To put the battery into the impact driver, here you go, to the front. You basically just slide it in. That's it, it slides in, just like that. And to release, press the front here. Release, yeah. To charge this, all you need to do is plug this into your mains, and slot this way, slot it in, and you should see lights here. I'll plug into the mains now just to let you see exactly what it looks like. So I've plugged it into the mains, and this is what it would start to do. So when it's charging, the green light will blink, and once it's full, I believe the green light will stay solid. So before we wrap up this video, the one to my, I believe that's my left, yeah, to my left is your drill. The one to my right is called an impact driver. So why did I get one? The impact driver is way, what's it called, much more powerful. So if you clearly see here, it says variable speed control is 0 to 2,800 RPM. RPM is rotations per minute. Impact rates is 0 to 3,600 BPM. Don't ask me what BPM is. The torque is 180 Newton meters. So for this, for example, a well-priced drill would be something around 50 Newton, well, actually 20 to maybe 30 Newton meters. So you can already see the power difference here. And also you obviously need a hexagonal screwdriver bits as well. So I've already got one of these. I've got a 6.35 millimeters. So that basically just fits straight into my, so you basically need one of this. Well, actually, this is an extension. But you also need, you can get, so if you need a drill bit, so these are your drill bits here. You put it in there, yeah, or you can get, sometimes you can get a shorter one, which you put in there, and to basically put it in there, all you do is you pull that out, pull it in, leave it, and that's it. That can come out. Here you go. And let's give this boy a what's it called? You see the difference? That is powerful as it is already. So I hope you've what's it called? Enjoyed the video. You got something out of it. Thanks for watching the video, and give you a thumbs up if you like it. If not, give you a thumbs down. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.